Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in Epic Games. First, open your Epic Games launcher or website and log into your account. Head over to your account settings, usually found by clicking your profile icon. Look for the Payment Methods section. Here, you will find an option to add a new payment method. Select PayPal and follow the prompts to securely link your PayPal account. This typically involves logging into PayPal to confirm the connection. Once PayPal is linked, purchasing is straightforward. Browse the Epic Games Store for any game, DLC, or item you wish to buy. Add your selections to your shopping cart. When you are ready, proceed to the checkout page. Among the payment options, choose PayPal. A secure PayPal window will appear, prompting you to confirm your purchase. Review the details, click to confirm, and your transaction will be complete in just a few moments. Managing your PayPal connection is simple. Return to your Epic Games account settings and the Payment Methods section. Here, you can view your linked PayPal account. You have the flexibility to update its details or remove it entirely if you no longer wish to use it for Epic Games purchases. Always ensure your PayPal account information, like your address and funding sources, is up to date for smooth transactions. Encountering issues? First, confirm your PayPal account is active and has sufficient funds or a linked payment source. Sometimes, regional restrictions might prevent certain purchases. If problems persist, check your internet connection for stability, as a weak signal can disrupt transactions. For persistent errors, reaching out to Epic Games customer support is your best next step. They can provide specific assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.